Every morning for daily chores, I go around to each cistern on campus and measure the water levels to find out how much total volume we have and also how much water we used the day before. And it drains into the cisterns every time it rains. We use the water from the cisterns for cooking, our showers, sinks, basically everything, and the wastewater gets fertilizes the gardens. And yeah, it's a really cool thing to be a part of this and get to interact with it daily as my chore.
Aquaponics is basically where we have these bins and it's filled with water obviously, and we have fish and the fish poop, and then we filter the ammonia out of the poop, and then that water goes to our aquaponics system and we grow food, and then that water gets recycled back into the fish's water. So it's basically this closed system where we recycle all the water while still taking out the ammonia in order to not harm the plants. Yeah, all our lettuce that we eat at dinner, lunch is from here, our tomatoes, and I feel proud to say like, oh, I picked that lettuce. Oh, you're eating lettuce that I picked with my own hands, and it's a completely organic system.
So basically, after every meal, unfortunately not everyone has the ability to finish their meal. So they walk over here and I help guide them, choosing which buckets go in. Basically, I try to make sure that people do a good job of separating bleach. So after this, we take these compost bins and take it down to the farm where the pigs and the chickens, we will be eating this, but they contribute to the compost.
So on campus we have pigs, an orchard, and we also have chickens, and most of the eggs that we use in the dining hall, they come from our chickens, and so that's one way we're sustainable.
Yeah, so in our permaculture class, we're looking a lot about like a food's journey and their food miles. So the journey the food has to take to get to our plates here at the Island School. And so I think one of the ways we really reduce food miles, and which I think we're all really proud of, is the farm, because rather than taking a few hundred miles to get the food to our plates, we take a few steps to the farm. And so we have eggs in the morning for breakfast and lunch, and that's really good too.
This semester going bit on islands, it's really difficult to deal with plastic wastes because recycling is really expensive because you have to ship to Florida and it's not environmentally friendly with all the emissions. So this semester we're trying to build a pyrolysis machine, and so we're essentially going to try and take plastic and with really, really high temperatures and really low oxygen levels, we're going to thermally degrade it back into fuel that we can use. And so we're hopefully going to get rid of a significant amount of our plastic here on campus, and our plan is to be able to introduce this solution to this island and islands everywhere so they can deal with their plastic waste in a more sustainable way.